Cassie Woodforth from Neighborhood, and welcome to episode 9 of HubSpot for Beginners. Today we're going to walk through how to create and send email campaigns from HubSpot. If you're ready to send your first email to your audience, I'm here to show you how to do it step by step. So first up, we're going to head over to marketing, then down to email. And then from here, you just hit create email, and we're going to choose a regular email to send off because it's a once-off send. Now from here, you can choose from the default templates or you can go create your own. For the sake of this, we're going to just use a template that's already here. And from here, this is where we get to customize everything from the design visuals. So think logo, subject line, content, call to action, everything in here. Now for the sake of this, I've already got something pretty basic set up. Basically, I want to promote our honey to our Facebook customers that came in just to kind of get them to convert for their next honey order. So I've got something very simple set up, and I've got a call to action for them to submit their home honey delivery subscription. Then in here, I've updated my subject line. I've chosen who it's going to be sent from. And over here in send to, I can select the contacts that I want to send it to. So I'm going to choose a list of contacts. And from this, I'm going to choose my Facebook contact list that I set up in episode 8. And then I can choose to either send it right now or schedule it for later. So at this point, I might actually choose to send it on a Tuesday because maybe they want their honey on the weekend. So got to get in early. And I know that my customers tend to make more of their orders in the afternoon. So I'm going to move it to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then from here, you just follow the prompts and send it off. Now, before you do send it off or schedule it, make sure you preview and test this out. So there's a button to preview a test. So you can actually preview it as a specific contact just to see what it looks like. So I've just clicked preview as a contact, and I can actually see how it shows up from my desktop or what it looks like on a mobile view as well. Email campaigns are a powerful way to connect with your audience. Next, we'll show you how to track the performance of your email campaigns and what metrics to focus on. See you in episode 10.